कॉफी विद करण की अपार सफलता के बाद अब लगता है कंगना को भी खुद का एक शो शुरू कर देना चाहिए। Controversies with Kangana. Reason being that even when she is not seeking controversies seek her out. And the latest one sees her at loggerheads with Shiromani Akali Dal Amritsar. It all started when Kangana, in an interview with Dainik Bhaskar, said that Bangladesh-like situation would have been created in India as well during the farmers' protests had the government not taken strict measures to control them, before adding that bodies were seen hanging and rapes were taking place during the protests. अब इससे पहले कि उनके इन कमेंट्स की कोई और क्रिटिसिज्म करता, कंगना ने बताया कि उन्हें खुद बीजेपी पार्टी से अपने इस बयान के लिए डांट पड़ चुकी है। In an interview with India Today, the Mandi MP said that she wasn't stupid or crazy enough to believe that she was the party's spokesperson. Many reports also suggested that she was not only reprimanded by party chief JP Nadda, but was also asked to keep her words in check while speaking on public platforms. अब ये मामला अगर यहीं तक रहता तो ठीक था, मगर बुझती इस आग में घी का काम कर गया शिरोमणि अकाली दल अमृतसर के प्रेसिडेंट सिमरनजीत सिंह मान का ये बयान, in which he said that the reason why Kangana could talk so openly about rape is because she herself is quite experienced.
कंगना रनौत जो सांसद हैं, उनका बयान आया किसान आंदोलन में रेप और मर्डर हुए, अगर बीजेपी की सरकार ना होती तो पंजाब का वो हाल होता है।
मैं कहना तो नहीं चाहता, रेनॉल्ड साहब को रेप का तो बहुत तजर्बा है, उनसे आगे पूछ सकते हैं कि कैसे होता है रेप, तो लोगों को समझाया जाए कि रेप कैसे होता है।
उनको कैसे तजुर्बा है?
तजर्बा जैसे होता है, आप अगर साइकिल चलाते हैं तो साइकिल चलाने का तजर्बा नहीं होता, तो उनको रेप का तजर्बा है।
What's more, he even made sure that everyone understood that he was indeed talking about Kangana Ranaut.
कंगना रनावत की बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, कंगना रनावत।
As soon as this clip went viral, Kangana reacted to it via her social media accounts, lamenting the fact that a sensitive topic like rape will never stop getting trivialized in this country. She also said that she was now getting rape threats, but no amount of threats will be able to suppress her voice.
अगर इस तरह से आर्टिस्ट की जो है वो आवाज़ को दबाया जाएगा और एक फ़िल्म को, मेरी क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी को, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों ने बंदूकें तान दी हैं, हमारे माथे पे रख दी है, तो बंदूकों से तो हम डरने वाले हैं नहीं। और आज मुझे रेप थ्रेट्स भी आ रहे हैं कि कंगना को पता है कि रेप क्या होता है, तो वो मुझे एक तरह से रेप की भी धमकियां दे रहे हैं, तो इस तरह से वो मेरी आवाज़ नहीं दबा सकते हैं।
Man's comments were also met with severe backlash from Haryana State Commission for Women's Chairperson Renu Bhatia and Chairperson of the Punjab State Women Commission Raj Lali Gill. While Bhatia said that Man's statements were an insult to our daughters, Gill said that his comments were even more shameful than those made by Kangana. Following the backlash, Man took to his X account on Thursday and tweeted that while him and his party always stood up for women's safety, Kangana had used a heinous crime like rape to falsely accuse the farmers before implying that she had nothing but hate for the Sikh community. लगता नहीं कि ये मामला जल्द शांत होने वाला है, especially since the Shiromani Committee has sent a legal notice to Kangana demanding a ban on her upcoming film Emergency for misrepresentation of the history of Sikhs in the film. Watch this space for more and make sure to subscribe to Shosha for your daily dose of entertainment.